Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Forever 52 Ultra Matte Foundation. So I really hope this video would help you, and if you're planning to buy this foundation, you can make your mind if you should invest in this or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's see the packaging of this foundation. It comes in this black packaging as usual. This is here Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation is mentioned, and this is how the packaging from inside looks like. This is a glass bottle, and please ignore the mess on the cap. Okay, so I have bought this in the shade FLF007, which is mentioned over here, and it is also mentioned on the bottom of the packaging. So this is how the shade looks like. It is quite good for my skin tone. So if we talk about the price of this foundation, this retails for 799 rupees, and you can easily find this on 10% discount on the Forever 52 website or on Nykaa. And also you get 30 ml of product, which is great amount of product for a foundation. And the shelf life of this foundation is only 2 years, which is quite less, I feel. So today, as I told you, I have used this foundation. I have used only 2 pumps of this foundation, and I am in love with the formula of this foundation. I have already reviewed the Forever 52 Photo Matte Foundation. If you have not watched that video yet, you can check that video on my channel, or I will link it on the I button if possible. So if we talk about this particular foundation, I'll just show you the formula also of this foundation. So once you open the cap, here there is a pump packaging, which is great. Okay, so I'm taking this much of the amount. As you can see, this is not very thick like the Photo Matte foundation. This is not very runny, as you can see. It is at its place, right? But trust me, it blends beautifully on the skin. So this is the shade FLF007. If you are someone in my skin tone, I would highly recommend you to buy this foundation. You can definitely go ahead with this shade. I really like this shade. Okay, so this is how the coverage looks like. This is the finish. It is a dewy foundation, I would say, and it blends very beautifully with the beauty blender. Today I have applied it with the beauty blender, and I really like the finish of this. It was very easy to apply, and I needed very little amount. As I told you, I have just used 2 pumps of the foundation. I really like the products that are used very less and give great results. So if you talk about the coverage of this foundation, you can see on my hand I have applied only 1 pump, and I really like the finish of this foundation. It looks dewy, and the coverage is quite nice. And if you are someone from dry skin family, I would highly recommend this foundation. Just prep your skin well, and you can definitely enjoy this foundation. But if you are someone with acne, and I would not recommend this foundation because it might clog your pores. And I personally have a combination skin, and I really like the way it has turned out on my face. I have used a beauty blender today to apply this foundation, and this is the first time I've applied this foundation. So yeah, this foundation gets a big thumbs up from my side. And if you want to see the review of the Photo Matte foundation, which is the other foundation which is offered by Forever 52, you can check out my other video where I have reviewed that foundation as well. I have shared the application part as well. So yeah, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please do let me know in the comment section if you found this helpful. And also you can subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the very first time. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.